we can take out this post, we have to take out this tree right next to it. And when in doubt, grab the handsaw, because it gets the job done, and it was easier to get than the chainsaw, so it builds character anyway. Or so they say. Am I a millennial? Technically. Tree taken care of. I just took a couple minutes. No big deal. Now we're gonna take out this post. Kind of a fun way. Yeah, it's fun. It's work, but it's fun. When you're a stay-at-home dad, work becomes fun. And so we're gonna use this jack, courtesy of a buddy of mine. Screw in some scrap wood to the post. Put that lip right underneath those pieces of scrap. And then we're gonna jack it out. Is that okay to say? I don't know. Well, there it is. Alright, so we have set up our scrap wood. A couple screws in that side. About 4 in there, just for extra strength. And some in there. Got the top ones on just to give the one we're going to torque a little extra strength. Hopefully this thing will just pop right out. That's the goal, at least. So, see what happens. Alright, so side note, your posts are only as good as your footings. I just pulled this out. Means it was already broken, cracked, before I tried. That's probably why this fence failed. The old one, at least. Let's try not to do that with the new one. Alright, so a lot of progress has been made so far. We've set these posts and we've attached the 2x4s to it. Just a couple screws. And then I started on the horizontal panels. And they go pretty quick once you get the first ones in. And luckily, this lined up really nicely with the little short metal fence here. But that screw to connect it went right in, so I'm not going to see that from my side, so I don't really care, but it's pretty secure. So we're going to keep going, putting on more panels until we get to about 6 feet. And then we've got the 2x4s are 8 feet high, and they'll be cut to size once the top panels, oh, there's Kita. Once the 1x4s go on the top. So let's keep cranking it out and see where we get today. Just doing some work while the kid sleeps. So a little nap time work. Got my baby monitor and my extra battery right there. Good to go. So we're setting up this panel here, and I'm not trying to leave a whole big gap, but we do need something for some expansion and contraction of the wood. So I got a little shim here, and I'll put them on both sides before I screw this thing in, but gonna way to keep this panel in place. If you got some clamps, just slap those guys on there and they'll keep it in place while you're drilling in the board, so there's no movement when the first screw goes in. After that first screw, it's all downhill from there. Let's go. And of course, never forget your level. I want this thing to be nice and level, clean. So every time we put on a board, just slap this guy on top, double check that everything's good, and then now I can put in those screws. Easy breezy.